The benefits of Irish medium education, immersion education and early bilingualism are well cited in international research throughout the world. There are many benefits associated with that. For example, increased and improved communication skills, improved thinking skills, problem solving abilities. Children that learn languages at an early age are also more empathetic, and they're more tolerant of other cultures and other faiths, creeds, people from different countries, people who speak other languages. They're naturally more inquisitive.
We are the same as English sectors, preschools, but just they have the added bonus that they get to go and speak Irish as well and learn our native language.
They have improved cognitive skills in terms of thinking skills, as I've said, problem solving, but also the ability to learn other languages with greater ease.
I found that the provision within Ní Scúl Carntogher was excellent. The staff welcomed the children every morning. The children were so excited to enter the setting. The facilities were fantastic, that the children were accessing all of the curriculum and they were doing it through the Irish medium. Really, the standard of education that I have seen through Irish medium is fantastic, and I am really happy with the choice that we made for sending our children through that education setting.
But it also just gives them, I think, a greater understanding of their culture, their history, an understanding of the landscapes, because everything is related back to the, our Gaelic heritage here, that sort of thing. So.
The environment that we have in Irish medium education is very enriching. It's very nurturing, and that encourages the children to grow and to develop, to reach their own potential in a very enthusiastic and a very positive way.
We have also learned through research that the earlier children learn languages, that later in life that helps them in terms of cognitive decline and to counteract early stages of Alzheimer's and dementia. So there are many, many benefits, not only in terms of when they are in school right now, but going forward in terms of additional opportunities for employment, not only in Ireland, but also within Europe and further afield.
There are no pitfalls in sending your child to Irish medium preschool whatsoever. There are only advantages.